Snow's melting fast up there. Won't be too much longer probably and get up the mountains. Talked to a fella yesterday that tried to make it up over the top above the house here, and there's too much snow still. He can't do it. But good morning. It's Labor Day weekend. Today is Sunday. They're supposed to be roping this evening at 4, so I'll have to have the arena ready by 4 o'clock. But then after that, I've been wanting to go camping. We don't get much time to do fun things like that in the summertime. So it'll be just overnight. We'll have to be back Monday afternoon, but it'll be fun. So come out here to our little trailer here, and before you do any of this stuff, you kind of got to put stuff away first. Amazing how anywhere dry or flat surface or whatever gets used for storage. Some of this stuff's kind of neat. Look at this. I picked this up at a garage sale a few years back. It's the U.S. Navy bedroll from 1935. I wish I'd have had this when I was guiding hunters. I'm not going to unroll it, but inside of there I've got a sleeping bag in there, and what's neat is on the ends, it's meant to go on a cot, and on the ends there's some pockets to put things like your probably extra bullets or your shoes or something like that, and would have been really handy to have when I was guiding. Them days are probably done forever, unfortunately. I kind of miss doing that, but I'm too old. Too old. My knees don't work anymore, and both the outfitters I worked for have sold out anyway, and they're trying to learn new areas, always a pain in the butt. So this one, that's a kind of a cook stove thing I bought Cindy for Christmas or birthday or something a while back, and I got my prospecting gear. And this bag here has another gold pan in it and more gold stuff and heaters, metal detectors, all sorts of fun stuff I never get time to use. And how's this for a little frying pan? That thing's at least 2 foot around. Got a handle on it from the edge of here to the lip of the pan, probably 4 foot. They used to call those a Texas frying pan, and they're kind of neat. If you're going with a bunch of friends and things, it'd be a good one on the campfire for cooking different stuff. Then, of course, to go with that giant frying pan, you gotta have a giant spatula. That thing's like a pizza flipper. One thing I really don't like about these, there just is no good storage areas. I got frying pans and paper plates and things up here. Up high like this though, the doors tend to come open and fall out everywhere. Of course, we got the essentials. Gotta have whiskey and gin and coffee, right? Those cupboards up there are hard to get to, but they're basically empty. I should put some up here. Yeah, that's pretty much. I'll have to clean those up and move that stuff over here, I think. Well, just got done with the arena, and we're pretty much loaded up and ready to go. Just overnight. We don't need a whole lot of stuff, but you always take more than you end up using anyway. you go. No. Nope, nope, nope. They did a good job. Yeah. That's a heck of a wash rapid. I don't remember that being like that. This is all, this big flat here, it's all new from the forest fire runoff. I kind of think that that's shoved that, bottlenecked the river over enough that that's a heck of a rapid now.
No, Cora. Oh.